Hi, I'm Eric. I always been very self-conscious about my bald spot. I did try many scalp treatment, but did not see the effect. That is until I being first by R3. Not only I regain my full hair, also regain my confidence. The R3 Nano restoration is semi-permanent and fuss-free, almost fuss-free. I also did the herbal scalp treatment. Within just 3 sessions, I realized that my hair is not oily anymore, and also it's a less hair loss. I think. And also I did the herbal dye to cover my gray hair. It's no chemical, no ammonia, and full of herbs. Then now I think I more confident, and not only I look like my age, maybe younger. Thank you, Archie, for giving back my confidence.